Hey y'all, so I'm about to create a vision board. I already have some of my things that I will be putting on the vision board that I already cut out or already had printed out previously. Some things I cut out from the vision board party that I went to, and then some pictures I printed out to make a big vision board. But right now I am making another vision board. Only thing is, all I have is tape today. So I'm gonna be taping the walls down. So let's talk about it. It's 2024, and if you never created a vision board, or you have created one but you never stuck to the plan, this is your time to hop on the vision board train, okay? Because vision boards work. I create one every year, and I started this when I was in high school, and it has been working. Like, I have reached numerous goals in my lifetime. Look at me, always gotta show that dimple. Okay. But yes, I have created various vision boards, and a lot of my goals have came true. I feel like looking at your goals, thinking about your goals, dreaming about your goals, reading your goals over and over again, and seeing it repetition makes it easier to focus on, and it just helps you stay on track so you can accomplish what you really need to accomplish. Do you feel me? So yeah, basically I printed out pictures, I went on Pinterest, I went through magazines, and I just looked for things that stood out to me and resonates with my goals for 2024. And if I don't reach these goals this year, they will be my same goals for 2025. So just creating a vision of where I want to go, that's very important to me. So I advise you to definitely get you some magazines. You can go to the library and get them for free, or you can pay for them if you decide to, or you can just go on Google and print out stuff that you want to put on your board for free, okay? So we're just cutting out stuff, and one thing about me, I'm going to make as much stuff as I can fit on this board, so you're going to see me taking big photos and turning them into small images but conveying the same message. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vision board video, and if you have any questions, just leave a question in the comments and I'll be sure to answer you as soon as possible. Let me tell you, I love you. Let me tell you, baby. So I'm not sure if my camera cut off or not, but what I did was I took the full-size photo of both of these, the packages and the vending machine, and I cut it in half. So like if I wanted to make two boards, I'm putting this on one board and I may put this on my bigger board. Or if you was having a vision board party, then you can give this to somebody else who may have the same vision as you to own that. So that makes more room so I can put as much as possible on the board. Let me slide this over. I'm also going to cut this YouTube sign because I'm not about to put this big plaque up here. '24. I'm on Exodus right now, so my goal is to get up to poetry. Down below if I help you come up with some ideas, and let me know if you decide to create a vision board this year or if you already created one, whether it's digital or a paper one. But next I'm about to put it in a frame because yeah, I want it to go on my wall. So now we're about to put it in the frame now.